Hey everybody, it's Nolan here. I just want to show you the newest update to Agent Girl that I have, real estate mode. Boom. So it can do a lot of things. I'll start with having Agent Girl tell us, who are you and what can you help with, right? So let's see what it gives us for a response. But anyways, this is a system built on the Claude Agent SDK with agents, tool calling, sub agents, MCP servers, all the good news. So you can see, hey, I'm Agent Girl, direct data-driven real estate operations assistant, right? So we have a follow-up boss integration with the MCP server that I custom made so that it can look through our CRM and see the different leads that are in the database and also make recommendations about which automations to use and, just other, basically anything. We can have it enrich the data. It can add notes to them, whole slew of things there. Web scraping. So I also gave it an Appify MCP server so that it can access all the different Appify web scrapers and what actors, I guess is what they're called, to scrape real estate data, competitor data, all this stuff it's saying right here, right? All this stuff really is happening. So let's just see, use a Zillow Appify actor. I'll just, just so you know, I'm being more specific. You don't have to be this specific. In Detroit, Michigan. Start there, but essentially it'll go and do everything for you, from finding the scraper to searching the listings and giving you the data. I could have been more specific, I guess, with the home search, but the point is, this is a multi-layered system. Right now, you can see it's just doing some basic tool calling. But in a minute here, I can have it spawn a few sub agents so I can show you that, because that's pretty cool to watch. There is a little radio we could listen to. Nah, just kidding. No need to listen to the radio. You can upload media here. Not that we need to do that. You can put it in plan mode so that it doesn't execute anything, and then it'll spit out and tell you what it's gonna do, and then you can approve that or deny it or change it whatever way you want. Okay, so look, it pulls some properties, and let's just look one up. Let's look up 2150 Iroquois. I spelled that terribly. Why did I choose the hardest one to look up, by the way? Okay, so as you can see, it is currently for sale. So, it's not just hallucinating. Anyways, yeah, so that works. Let's say, look at my CRM and find me maybe 10 leads that I could send this to. Don't do it yet, but craft a message to send it to them. I want to approve the message first, so just find the best 10 leads for it. Right, so you can speak to it however you want, right? Like, I had no actual plan about what I was saying. I was just talking to it. And it's going to go through and it's going to search our contacts using the follow-up boss MCP server and the tools search contacts, right? So you can see all the stuff it's doing. It's found a good list of leads. Oh, shoot. I don't want to dox anybody. I got to be careful here. Okay. Do we have information? No. Okay. We don't have their personal information other than names, which is good. So, boom, we have some leads in our database, and then it gives me a little message that I could send them to. And I do know these people. They are in the CRM, so You're just going to have to take my word on that because I don't want to dox anybody's information out there. But yeah, so that's the real estate girl, the agent girl real estate mode that I added. So pretty cool stuff. So I'm not trying to bore you with a super long video. I just hope that this kind of gives you a gist of what can be done with this kind of a system, with custom MCP integrations to the CRM and to Amplify actors for more data, and just tool calls for the web searching and all that stuff going on. All in one system. This can access your computer files. I didn't even show that, but I think I showed it in another video. If not, I'll make another video on it. Regardless, I thought it was pretty cool. I got more stuff that I'm working on. Let me know if you want to see it at all, I guess. And yeah, this has been Nolan. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.